everyone, welcome back to the Sock City YouTube channel once again for another sock inspired craft. And this one is again so easy. I'm not even kidding y'all. This is so simple. This is great for you moms, you single parents, you the dads, college students, anybody that's doing their own laundry needs to watch this video. So first, pick your favorite little pair of Sock City socks. I have this pair because I think they're the absolute cutest ever. They say, plants get me. It's a little guy watering some plants. They're so cute. And these are shorter than normal. As you can tell, it's kind of like a little ankle sock. I love these. The green color is beautiful with the neutrals. So stinking cute, possibly my fave. And then you also need a little tennis ball. I'm using a mini one because I already have two big ones that I'm using the same thing for. And since I have smaller socks, I mean a big one would fit in there, but I'm just going to show you with the mini one today because that's just what I have on hand. And it's going to work just the same. So big or small tennis balls, that's what you'll need. Let's get started. All right, I'm just gonna jump into it right here because that's how simple it is, and I want you to get the full effect, just how easy it is right here. Okay, take your ball, open it up, drop her in, and you're probably like, why are we putting this tennis ball in here? And what does it have to do with my laundry? Well, let me tell you, after you tie this knot, guess what you have? A dryer ball. It was so simple. I didn't even need to take it to the craft table this time, y'all. That's how easy I make these for y'all because I want you to be able to have all the infinite amount of dryer balls you need. You can take your old tennis balls. It doesn't even matter. Just toss them in there. Boom. Dryer ball. And they're so cute. Like, look at that. Low-key could be a decoration. So cute. Well, that's all I have planned for today. And I hope you all enjoyed this little laundry hack. I hope you all enjoyed this video and this short, easy craft. I don't want to keep y'all waiting because I want you to jump on this and get these dryer balls in the dryer. Seriously, game changer. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next time for more DIY sock crafts. Thanks. Bye.